Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and these are the 7 reasons to buy the 10D phone. First reason would be the pure stock Android experience. Yes, some people love the pure stock Android and some people don't, but at the end of the day, that's what Google makes and it is super light and very responsive. Currently this phone is running pure stock Android based on Android 7.1.2 and it is upgradable to Android Oreo 8.2. So far everything feels very responsive and snappy with all the material animations. It will remain the same even after a year, just like the Moto phones. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the performance. This phone comes with a Snapdragon 425 processor. Yes, it's an entry-level processor and it's not all that powerful. But this one comes with pure stock Android and with good memory management. So as long as you're using very limited number of apps and those apps are still in memory, you will have a much smoother user experience. So at the end of the day, it's not just about the processor, it's the combination of processor, good memory management and stock Android. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the dedicated memory card slot. Because of Jio and its super low tariffs and the competition itself, now India needs 2 SIMs along with a dedicated SD card slot, at least at this price range. And this phone offers just that. Its SIM card tray houses a dedicated SD card slot along with 2 nano SIM slots, so you can use 2 SIMs and SD card all at once. It also supports adaptive storage, so even if you get the 2GB RAM variant that comes with 16GB of internal storage, you can move or install apps to your SD card and manage with it. But if you want my suggestion, go with the 3GB RAM variant. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the bigger battery. Redmi 5A, which also starts at 5000 rupees, comes with a smaller 3000 mAh battery, whereas this phone comes with a 3500 mAh battery and can give you at least 20% better battery life. As it is running pure stock Android, we can expect a little more better battery life than the regular MIUI 9. Next reason to buy this phone would be the fingerprint scanner. 10D is currently the first phone in the Indian market to offer a fingerprint scanner for just 5000 rupees. According to the company, when the display is on, it takes 0.2 seconds to unlock the phone, and when the display is off, it takes 0.7 seconds to unlock the phone. In my usage, it takes around a second to unlock the phone when the device is locked, and it's pretty manageable, and a fingerprint scanner at this price range, we really can't ask for more. Now the next reason to buy this phone would be the additional warranty. Normally all the phones come with 1 year of warranty, but for this phone, if you're a Prime member, you get an additional 1 year of warranty for free. So that's something only this brand is offering right now. It just means you don't have to worry about any hardware issues for 2 years. Now the final reason to buy this phone would be the price. Now 10D, the brand has priced this phone very aggressively at 5000 rupees to compete directly with Redmi 5A, which is called the Desh ka smartphone or whatever. So at the same price, they're offering very similar specs with pure stock Android and an additional fingerprint scanner, which adds a great value to the user experience. Now that's not the best part. At 6000 rupees, you get 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage, which is something Redmi 5A can't beat right now. So guys, those were the major reasons to buy the 10D phone. Now that's not the end of goodies. It comes with all the basic sensors including gyroscope, compass, LED notification light and FM radio. So this is definitely a complete Android phone that starts at just 5000 rupees. So guys, those were the reasons to buy the 10D. What's your reason to buy this phone or not buy this phone? Do let us know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.